Hello all. Okay, this is just the 5-year anniversary for my channel. I've been busy with it and I plan to continue putting stuff up on my channel. So I'd also like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for this long, and I hope you just keep enjoying my channel if you are, and keep being a subscriber, and any other subscribers who want to join to subscribe, then just go ahead and subscribe. If not, then fair enough. It's, I just put stuff up miscellaneous. Hope the viewers, as I say, have been happy with the stuff I've put on. So it's a 5th year anniversary. I just looked at the start of the channel there, and I says, geez, it's the 14th of April, that's when I first started. I just done it on the during the 2020. It was a very unusual year. Basically I had a lot of time to spare that year, and I didn't think I'd ever do YouTube. Never ever thought I would, but it just shows you that's an extraordinary year, 2020. So anyway, that was just a wee quick 5-year anniversary. Also at the same time I'm going to do a Transformer explosion update as well, regarding the big explosion down at the Overgate at the Dundee shopping centre with the substation transformer blow up. So I'll do an update footage on that as well. I've already done previous videos on that, but I'll do a wee bit of an update as well for those that want to see what the condition is right now. Okay, well, thanks for selecting, and as I say, I intend on putting stuff up indefinitely on the channel, so this is just to mark 5 years of me doing YouTube. Okay, right, I'll see you later. Right, bye for now, thanks for watching. Just a wee update regarding that explosion, the aftermath of the substation at the back of the Overgate in Dundee.
She's definitely sharp.
Yeah, definitely. Update. It's 30th of March 2025 here at where the explosion happened at the transformer opposite the Overgate. So this bit's been opened up again. They're probably just waiting to do whatever they're going to do to rebuild it and whatnot. So I forgot to get this bit for the round off. This is just looking at the so I'm just looking through the fence, the gate, but it's difficult to get much. I don't really see an awful lot, unfortunately, because it's all thingied off, but I'm no risking putting my camera through it in case I drop it, so that's all I could do, I'm afraid. It's going out of focus, which is annoying me. Yeah, it's just out of focus, not going to focus. Bloody hell. Should we just focus? It's as good as I'm going to get there, I'm afraid. Right, that'll do for now.